welcome to Garden Guitar. Ali Gatie is back. The song called Honest. Okay, so it builds up in the same way pretty much like many other songs from Ali Gatie. We have one chord progression and one melody that goes there in the background if you wish. So starting on the 4th fret here with the capo to match up with the sound, and we have these 4 chords: C major 7, A minor 7, E minor 7, and F major 7. So a lot of 7s here in this one. So starting with C major 7, that's the chord. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. The A minor 7, like this. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the E minor 7, just like that. It's the open E, then 2nd A, and then open D, open G, open B, and open E. So very open chord, this one. And then we have the last one, the F major 7. You can do it in 2 different ways. One way is to have the full chord here with a bar. You have the bar here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, 2nd on G, and that's it. And the bar goes over all strings there. That's the full chord there. If you think that is a little bit hard or different, you can go with the shorter version of the F major 7. And that's starting on the D string, 3rd fret there, and then 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. So you can go both, but when you play the melody, you need to have the full chord. All right, speaking of the melody, let's look at the notes there. Starting with C major 7, it goes like this. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then you play the open G, open B, and open E together. Next chord is the A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, and then you play open G and 1st B together. We have the next chord there, E minor 7, and you don't really need to push down anything here when you play the melody. It's just open strings. Like that. So that is open E in the bass, then open D, and then open G and open B together. Then we have the final F major 7 there. So that is 1st on E, 2nd on D, and then you play 2nd on G together with 1st B. So there you have the melody. One round sounds like this. All right, so that's it. And now for the strumming. We have one strumming pattern, and that will be for 1 round per chord. Okay, so it goes like this: down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. So C major 7, that will be the 1st chord. That is 1 round. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. So 2 downs, clap, 3 downs, clap, 1 down. So 1 round like this per chord, and that will sound like this, a little bit slower. You can use the shorter F major if yeah, that's about it. That's the different parts. And I can just mention, in the beginning of the song, you're gonna play the melody. If you just go exactly how the song goes, till about 1 minute and 15 seconds into the song. And from there on, from 1:15 to about 2:05, there you can play the strumming. And yeah, and from 2:05 to 2:30, you go back to the picking. And from 2:30 till the end, you can play the picking or the strumming. So it's some approximate timestamps in this song here. Otherwise, just go by feel, melody or strumming. It's yours. So good luck with this one, guys. Honest. Play tuned.